So welcome, let's look at how to create a dollar account. And this account that we are going to create, we're going to use a GCB, a bank. And this one, if you haven't created your smart account, make sure you follow the video and create your account. If you are new here, subscribe and like this video, share to others also to enjoy. So first thing is you go to your browser, any browser that you're using, and then search for GCB dollar account. Hit on that one. This is foreign currency account. Hit for that one. It will send you to this screen right here, and if you get to this one, make sure you scroll down here. Okay, so scroll down here and you see he's open a current account, apply. So hit on that apply, and if you hit on that one, it will bring out this one for you right here. Okay, so you see all this one here, and this one is what we are going to use. And before you can create this account, you're going to fill a form. So this is the form that you're going to fill right here. And if you look at the form here, we have different forms that you can fill. The first one, we have sole proprietorship account. That is, you are opening an account for a business. We have link to home account. We have individual account opening form. Okay, and we have different forms here that you can download here right here. So you go straight on it and look for the one that for you. Okay, so for me, I'm going for an individual account opening. Okay, and then you see here we have what the preview here that you can view how this form look like. So if I hit on that one, if it is in your phone, you can also do the same thing. So all that you need is to hit on that one, and if you see this one here, that's the download button. Download this form into your PC or into your phone. So I hit on download and then I will download it. After downloading it, we are going to fill all this form here. So before you can get this, you need to make sure you fill this form. And if you look at this form, it's the same as the same form that in case you're going to open an account on any bank, you'll fill. Okay, so if you are going to open an account from any bank in the world, you'll fill this form right here. So if you look at the form here, or after downloading the form, you can go out there and see your form here, right? So if I hit on it, this is the form that I have right here. So let's fill the form here. So the first one is the account category, the type of an account that you want to create. We have savings account and we have a current account. So the one that you want to use, just click on this one. And then we have account type, we have standard, we have salary, we have trust and stars. So choose a standard here, and then come down here. This is for bank users. Okay, so you don't need to use this one. Okay, so this is not part of us. We have account type 1 and stars. So scroll down here, we have purpose of your account, the reason for you creating this account. Are you going to invest? Are you going to make only transaction, withdraw, only withdrawal, or you want to make personal savings, or you want to receive your salary or others? If you hit on others, then you write the reason or the one that you suggest here. And then account purpose to the same thing, you can choose that one. And then we have a source of fund, where you get your fund from, right? So you choose where you get your fund from. It is for salary, you choose the salary. It is for personal savings, you choose that one. And you come here, this is your personal details here, right? You have your title. If you are doctor, you choose doctor. If you are master, you choose master, miss, mrs, and other, then you choose that one. Here is where you fill your name. Okay, so you write your name, your surname, and then your last name or your first name. You write that one here, and then you have the median name and then other stuff. If you are male, you choose male. You are female, you choose female. If you are married, you choose married. If you are single, you choose it. If you are divorced, you have separated, or you are a widow, you choose that one. So we have number of dependent people that depend on you. Okay, if you are children, you choose that one. If it's other, you choose that one. And then if you have any personal challenges, okay, you have physical challenges and stuff, you choose that one also. Here is where you enter the place of birth, where you were given they gave birth to you, and then your date of birth also, you write it here. If you look at the date of birth, the days come first, the month, and then the years also here, and then the hometown that you currently stay, and your nationality. If you're Ghanaian, choose Ghanaian. Your country of origin, you write that one, and then the country that you stay right here right now. Okay, then you include that one here. your profession or the kind of job that you do, you write that one here. Then if you have email address, you put in your email address here. Your educational level, if you are undergraduate, you are graduate, you are postgraduate, and other stuff. If you are not illiterate, you put that one. If you have a SNET document or SNET card, you just put it here. Then you put in your mobile number. If you have a telephone number, you give out one. Then the spouse and then other stuff also you put that one here. So let's go to the form 2. So this one is for foreign national only. If you are not a Ghanaian, then they will have to write this one or fill this place also. If you are a Ghanaian, you skip this one right here. Okay, so let's go down here and look at the number and the other forms here. Valid means of qualification placed. So other stars here, you come in and fill this one here. Your ID, okay, so you hit on the national ID, the ID number, the date the card was issued to you, the expiring date. If you have any specific, you include that one. Your postal address, your residential address, and then your street names, your nearest landmarks, your city or town, your digital address, and your municipal or district assembly. Then you include all the stuff here. You come to here, your if you rent or you owned, then you choose that one, you take it. Proof of address, if you have any, if you rent, that means you don't have any other stuff, so you own the house, that means you need to what, make sure you can include your water bill or light bill or tenancy agreement. So if you rent, that means you include your tenancy agreement out here. If it is order, then you choose order. And then residential address abroad, if you are a foreigner, then you fill that one. If you're not the Ghanaian or you don't stay in Ghana here, this is portion is for you. But if you are in Ghana, this portion is not for you right here. Come here with details of contact person that if there is an emergency in your account, they can contact that person. You write that person name here, the relationship of that person, you include the occupation, residential address, telephone number, you include it here. Then the account service or requirement, in case you want to request for a card, okay? And this card, if you need a MasterCard, you choose a MasterCard. If it is a Visa card, you choose that one. That means they will give you that card that you will use for your transaction. If you want internet banking or mobile banking, you choose that one. In case you want an alert SMS and for you to see some of their messages and stuff, so you can choose that one. Employment details, you will write on your employment details. If you're a student, choose student here. For self-employed or you're employed, you choose that one. These are some of the forms that you fill out here. Okay, so let's go to the other form here. Okay, beneficial owner, you choose that one and then write the name and stuff also here. And then you come here, you hit on your job, the amount of money you expect to make a transaction per month, you choose that one here. The number of time that you want to make a transaction to put money into your account, the number of time per month, you should take that one. And then the amount that will be expected to be or put into your account for 1 month, you choose that one. You come here, your withdrawal to, then you select that one too. Okay, and then you come here, account head with GCB other bank. If you have any other account here, then you write the account, the name of the bank or branches, then the account name, account number, you include that one here. So in case you have the smart account, you can include that one here. Okay, and then your account opening mandate, you choose that one also here. So after that, you come here and sign in your address here. So here you're going to sign your signature and then you put your password. So here comes the documents that you need. So first one, you need your Ghana card. Make sure Ghana card is ready. Your postal address or that postal address, you need to make sure you have that one. And then you have your utility bills, either a light bill or either water bill or your rental agreement. You have that one too. And then you have a passport picture of yourself. You have a passport picture of yourself. Then you include that passport picture here. You scroll down here, you come here and you write your name, you sign your signature and the date that you filled in or you submitting your document right here. So after that, we have all the terms here. If you like it, you can read it. If not, you can leave it. and then you submit this into the bank, and they're going to look at it, create your account for you. Dollar account is what now created that you can use to transact in dollars, pounds, and other stuff through this one. Subscribe and like this video, share to others to